My name is Aaron Yeager. 5 years ago, my hometown was destroyed by Titans. Titans are monstrous humanoids with one goal, eating other humans, especially my mom. So I joined the military to help protect humankind and exact vengeance against all Titans. I hope they try to attack again. They won't catch me off guard this time. Hey Samuel, when do you think we'll stop fighting the Titans?
Hopefully never, Thomas.
Okay then, I will take a second to ponder this. 5 years have passed, and I've finished my training. Those Titans should be thankful we haven't met face to face.
Holy shit, is that a Titan?
I'm still pondering. Well, fuck.